Welcome to another Portugal What's On video. In this video I will tell you 4 ways to visit Benagil cave. Benagil is a rock formation in the sea. It's probably one of the most beautiful places on planet Earth. When you visit Portugal, you should include Benagil in your route. In this video, I will tell you 4 ways to visit this wonderful cave. First way, and the most popular way, is the boat trip. The boat trip allowed you to visit Benagil and another caves near along the coast. In the description of this video you can find all the tours I recommend. If the tour departs from Portimão, this means seeing more caves and desert beach from the same price or less than another tours. In this video, you will see probably the best tour to the caves. And why? Because we select small boats. In the small boats, you get the full attention of your captain and guide. And to another important reasons, they don't use dirty diesel or loud music. Second way to visit Benagil: kayak or paddle. If you are more adventurous, you can rent one or take a guided tour. Third way, swim. Totally not recommended because of the high number of boats in the place and another reasons. Fourth way to see Benagil: see him from the top. It's possible to see the cave from the top. If you walk on the top, you can see Benagil cave. Thanks for watching Portugal What's On videos. Sarah and I'm a local guide. Will be a pleasure share with you the best secret places in my country. In the description of this video you will find my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. This is more than a tour. This is a live experience.